So these herbs right here are really hard to find depending where you live. If you're not from Fresno, Stockton, Sacramento, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, this may be hard to find. I got this at the Asia supermarket in Fresno, so they have it in a bag already. So this is really awesome because a lot of these herbs, I try to look for it in SoCal, they don't have it all. So I will list all the herbs in the description. Let's dive into the recipe. So here I have the farm-raised chicken. It's gonna be very flavorful. You can get this at a lot of the Asian supermarkets. I wash and clean my chicken. I'm gonna discard the head. I cut the chicken in the joints, just separate all its joints, separate the wings and the flats. Breasts, I just cut it into smaller pieces. The chicken feet, I cut off the nails. I did wash and clean my chicken before doing all this, okay? Now let's boil this. In a pot of water, bring it to a boil. And then I'm just gonna add in my chicken. Next, add in your lemongrass. Right here, I bruised the end of the stalk and I tied it into a knot. It releases the natural flavors. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. You can adjust the taste at the end. And I'm gonna skim out the skunk for a clear broth. Get all the impurities. I'm gonna add this herbs with the longer cook time first. Just gonna let this cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. There's a lot of the flavors in the stem. And now I'm going to introduce the rest of the herbs. Remember, I'll list that in the description. Let this cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and we're done, guys. Serve this with rice. Delicious, comforting, perfect for this weather. Look at that. We got the chicken breast there, the flats, the drum. Can you imagine? Can't go wrong with chicken, guys. Delicious and comforting. You don't have to be pregnant to eat this. And we're done, guys. Ooh, look at that clear broth. Look at the herbs. Chicken feet. Everything. Nothing goes to waste. Delicious, healthy, good for your body. Perfect for this weather. Cannot go wrong with rice and chicken. The herbs, so delicious. Natural chicken flavors and herb is just so delicious. Perfect for this weather. No ingredients in here, it's just this chicken and the herbs and that's it. Salt. Broth. Simple but delicious. Look at this broth.